So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Emotions Online Technique. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys the free Aviator predictor codes. 3 free Aviator predictor codes. I'm gonna be showing you 12.0.5. I'll also show you 7.1.0 and also 1.0 of Aviator codes. Okay, so this number on the screen, you can contact me if you have any deal. Okay, so let's move forward straight to the video. So here are the 3 apps I'll be showing you guys. The first one will be Aviator 12.0.5. so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I show you guys on how to get things done on technique space. Okay, so if you're having any issue on how to get codes, inbox me. How to get subscription, inbox me and let's deal. So now let's use any of these and then it will bring out where to input the code. So I will only input the code. That's the code I'm really showing you guys. So this code, you can see it on the screen. That's the code of this one. So now click on continue. So you can see it has successfully opened. Okay, this is 2024. Okay, there is no 2025 Aviator 12.0.5. so this is it. So now you can click on start again to start the game, but we are focusing on just the code. Okay, I'm showing you guys the free code. So now we'll be moving on number 2, which is the 7.1.0. sorry. So I'll be sharing the code with you guys, and this is the latest code of this app. Okay, mainly if you have 7.0, most of them will tell you when you put the code it will open, but in some cases it will tell you that it has expired. Okay, so this one is the latest code, and let it open and then we see how everything it is. So don't forget to subscribe and also like this video for the free code I gave you guys. So this is 7.0.1, that is it. So now let's choose one as best, then let's input the code. So here I'm gonna paste the code, and here is the code on the screen. So that is the code of this one. Okay, so on the old code, if you put it, it will open, but in some cases, in some time, it will tell you that it has expired. But this one is the latest code. You can see it has Aviator 2025, which is 7.10.2025. So now let's continue, and then it's gonna open. You can see it has successfully opened with the time. This is the time I recorded this video. The time says 7:58, so that is the correct time in the app. So that is it. You can start by clicking on prediction. So like I said, we are focusing on the free code I'm giving you guys. So if you have any deal, DM me on the WhatsApp number you are seeing on the screen. So the last one is gonna be this 1.0 Aviator 1.0, which is this one. Let's open it. It has a music background. You might not hear what I'm saying, so I'll just show you guys and then put the code. So you can see the code. Let's click on login, and that's for the Indians. This game is mainly for the Indians. Okay, so you can see it's mainly for the Indians. Okay, so that's it. So that's it, guys. If you like what I have shown you guys in this video, Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video as well. Until I see you guys in my next video, like I said, if you have any deal, DM me, inbox me on the WhatsApp number you're seeing. Thank you.